Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start Express Care program on Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, first we'll need to select the Express Care with our knob right here. Then we'll be able to change the temperature, rotation speed. There's a time manage, but in this option in this program it's not available. Then we can change the delayed start. The pre-wash is not, actually it is available, so we can enable or disable it. Easier ironing and extra rinse that we can also activate. When you're ready, click on the start and the program should begin, unless there's the delayed time that is set right here. You can restart it by going all the way to 24 or actually 20, okay. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.